Banginra ikimikimat syaka sokar.
Kajala Mikalia kalacam sa sya uwei umau mer bakongsan da kabapenmi ya ka permanent pictorial cancellation kabening kong kabadai gajing itu bakerpang ya gajing riospa bat gajing internet kamariang jonggani gejala ha kani kasngi lawan shimenta da uba Hector Marwen u additional chief secretary balasong thai bat u president ka Shillong club na lor kiwei pan ya kani ka cancellation bala pelaj pat ba menta kasni kapen pau ya ka Madan Ïalehkai Gulf hanong ba Shillong ka badon hapulu ya kani ka sinjam bansa kan mau lale da ka North East Postal Circle Shillong bat kapen pau i Jinglong kong san hakaliang ka Kolshore bat hakaliang ki kam chingok kai perthai chong ka Madan Ïalehkai Gulf ka permanent pictorial cancellation ka dei ka chingbo dak ka bakerpang ka bapen i ka ching penwandur ka ching pen idur lani ka bapen i ka jaka ka badon kam hagi khana pateng ka korshol lani hagi kam chingok kai perthai.
So whenever we will be sending letters or mails or any postal article for that matter, postcards, inland letters, so we'll paste a stamp that you already know. On it we will cancel the act of putting the impression. So the thing that will be impressed is this cancellation. So it will be a logo saying Shillong Golf Course. So now let us say I have a friend in Lucknow who I write a letter, or I am sending any work related mail. So it goes to them, now they get to see this and now they know that this is something big in and around this place.